just started recording? Never. I want to play The Sims for you guys. Dun, 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 dun. The guide contains many creations from your fellow Simmers. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I got this game. Alright, so let's play. I'm happy I got the thing open organing game. Okay. And I got build a new crest. See, it's the update. And I got the genealogy. I got pools, I think. Like blink. So let's see what's going to happen. Welcome to Create a Sim. Here in Create a Sim, the story of your Sims begin. We will show you how to name them, design personalities, how they look, and when they're perfect. We'll show you how to move them into a new home and take control of their lives. Would you like to see a Create a Sim tutorial? No. Oh my god. Hello, sir. You're a very amazing person. Yes, you are. It's too bad you don't have toddlers yet. Can I get a female version? And then a male version? Hello, my name is, let's make your name, and hold this, Stella? I can't spell. And let's make your name Stella Joy. Oh, I didn't do that. Let's make your name Stella Heath. Let's make it high. Let's make Stella high. That's really funny. Alright. Time to design Stella. What's our new looking drums? I like it. Home, I think. Let's see, hold it like this. Okay. Now let's. Oh, I know that. Watching the gameplays of how to do it, right? Ooh, wolves. I like wolves. Yeah, I like wolves. I like wolves. Can I not? Oh, I'm about to say, can I not make her look a little bit skinnier? He just contributes. There. Now here's her face. Okay, her skin tone is fine. I don't care. She's not black or doing. Don't matter to me. Let's see. Is this hair? Can we make it a little bit longer? That's all clean. Oh my gosh. Oh my, I got swimwear. Oh my gosh, I thank you, Sims. I didn't even have to go get the expansion back. I don't like your hat. You don't need a hat for swimwear. For party, you can wear this. Because it's a party. It's a party. I like this. Yeah, let's keep it that way. Play. How do you edit? Oh. It matches. Our eyes were fine earlier. Why not just mess that up? I go with the first one. Oh, I like this. That's cute. Accessories. I can't even see it. That's how you know your hair is too long. Okay. Anyway. Let's see. Wow. That's something nowhere. Oh, here it is. Let's see. Really? Really Sims? What is this, every day? I'm just gonna swimsuits. Here it is. Okay. Can you make the shoes match? Yeah, that looks better. I said don't wear a hat, but it looks kind of cool. Let's see. We can pick blue, because I like blue. Oh no! Oh, it's on me. Athletic. Yeah, that hat doesn't match. I didn't know what she was wearing. Let's make it. Well, I don't like pink like that. I'm just gonna. Okay, interesting. No accessories, no earrings, no glasses, no necklaces. No time to go back to her body for sleepwear. Ew. Yeah, you're wearing a rock and roll shirt because that's how awesome you are. Blue! I love blue. Oh, she's wearing this. Whether she likes it or not. This is you. Are wearing some shoes. We're gonna wear some slippers. I'm gonna make it call it. Let's see. Yeah, this is what you should wear. So right here, every single day you should wear this. Oops. I meant this. It really brings out your personality, don't you know that? Time to change. I forgot how you do that one thing. Can I remember my pants? I'm about to go random. Somewhere. I like this. It's really cute. Yeah, I like this. It's cute. Let's go with dark blue because dark blue is awesome. Alright. We should all look like we're good looking. Time to give a treat. You are. I can't believe I'm playing it. You are a bro. You're. Yes. You're funny. I don't know what else is funny. You are. You love outdoors, I guess. I don't know where. Oh, you are the active. Yeah, that's something. You food. No, let's not do food. Athletic, bodybuilder, creative. Best-selling author. Yeah, let's make it that because I like art. You can't show it every day. I don't want you to start thinking like that. How do you play with your next if you don't? Oh my gosh, you're adorable. I'm keeping you. That's how I understand. Everybody. Oh, let's make an elder. Let's make a child. This can be her child, I guess. You can only have one trait for a child. Well, then let's make you a music lover. No, music. Okay, for you. Mental, honor, social butterfly, creativity, art, variety. Ooh, you're an art lover, so let's make you this. And I want you to be that dark. Doesn't look weird. Okay, your name is going to be Dark. No, joking. Your name is going to be Kayla. And your last name is going to be Rocco. B-R-A-C-K. I don't know how to spell that. Let's see. A dress just for the notebook. You're just gonna go around walking in this? Excuse you, lady. Wait, how do you edit? How do you edit skin? How do you edit skin? Body. You are too dark. Sure. Let's make you look like you have a little bit of a tan. And style things. Oh, I was looking for this. Try this style. Oh my gosh, Star Wars. I'm going with this. Yeah, you're Yoda. Star Wars. So that's what I was looking for. I was looking for this. Wear this blue dress because I like blue. Oh, this ain't blue. Costumes. I don't got no. There it is. Okay, this shoes. Right now. That's it. Well, then she's gonna wear blue. Because I like blue. Oh, I like this. Ew. Not everyone likes blue. Do. Yeah, this is amazing. I'm going with this. Need bottoms. Apple bottom jeans. Boots with the fur. I'm just looking at her. She's the first thing you know. Shawty got low. Yeah, her hair look better like that. Brings out your personality. And your beautiful eyes are about to turn green. Can I make them green? A darker, lighter. But I like this. I'm keeping it this way. No one will change your eyes for just your mind. Let's make these match. You have to match. Oh, that's how you go to sleep. You go to sleep with nothing on. Ooh, what is this? A towel? That's how I go to sleep. With a towel on. No girl goes to sleep with a towel on, you know. Yeah, you're in the salamanders and everything. Let's see. Yeah, put this on. And that's it. Okay, we're almost finished. Yeah, you can wear that. I'm fine with that. Yeah, I'm not fine with that. Let's make this blue or green. Yeah, let's go green. This is Sims 2. Hello, my name is Catherine. What is your name? Stella High. Catherine Bracco. Okay. Now let's customize your trait. You are a geek. What up, geek? You are You are jealous? No. You hate children. You hate children. Let's make you a girl. And you are a goofball. So let's make it here. We're going to trade a line. Now let's make sure I'm a collector. Orchard. What is diversity? Popularity, knowledge. Ooh. Computer ways, nerd brain, or just reason. It could be computer ways. I'm fine with that. Alright, now time to edit you. Your outfit looks fine anyway. But we are not wearing dresses. We are wearing stuff called Sims. Stupid. 2 hearts for jealousy. 2 hearts for girls. Let's make you all guys look unmatched up, and you guys have no potential going anywhere. Can't you? Testing cheats? I don't remember how to even active cheats. I'll have to search it up online. These do not match. Why are you wearing a dress? Okay, that's what it is. Just because I feel like it. I really like your hair like that. It brings out your personality. Like, what is that? Change to fall by a dress like this. Black. Ooh, red. I'll get that. And keep D1. I don't know why, but Sims just like to work out in this. Too bad, I'm changing it. Making it blue. Everything is going to be blue. So everybody can enjoy blue and enjoy it. Blue. Yes, blue. That doesn't even match. Oh, man, maybe not match. You gotta be closer. This is how you go to sleep. Yeah. You can wear that if you want. Oops. Not that. Huh? Well, I was recording a video right now. I'll go for my birthday. I like this. This is cute. Okay, you are wearing this. You're definitely wearing this. Because it's blue. It's cute. It's blue. I thought I could change their hairstyle. Okay. Oh, this matches. All matches. All of this match. Now, what are you wearing? Yeah, that's amazing. You should wear that too. You just told him that? You just told him that? Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure. Somebody. What? Oh my gosh. They have to make every single sound. Oh, I like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear it. But it's cool. Gee, I don't want to edit anything. I don't like your butt. Mommy. Tell my dad I also said hi. Tell him I said hi. Alright, let's make it red. No, I don't want your hair to be red. It's fine with me. You can have red hair. Yeah, make your hair red. I don't know why, but every Sim really likes his hair. And it looks good on every Sim. Seen a Sim with hair like this, hair like this, hair like this, hair like this. And here's back to the original color I had. Was it blue? It wasn't blue. It was red. Yeah, because it looks better with red. Okay, let's see. You have your hair like this when you go to sleep. This. No, this is true. This is not that curly. We'll keep it this way. You have your hair like this. Or this. Okay. I think I'm finished. Let me check everybody. I really like your eyes this way. I never changed her hair. Or at least I never changed it to this. Or you can have it like this. Yeah, I'll keep it that way. You can have it like this. This. Or this. You look like a boy. I'm keeping it that way. And this is fine. You can keep it like that. That's fine. Yeah, Yoda, we got this. Wait. Can I edit family? Personality. What's up? Oh, here it is. I'm about to say your wife. It's your sister, and yeah, you guys are related. I was wondering. I forgot to edit your daughter, not your sister. Forgot to edit walks. Yeah, this is typical. Yeah, you're all confident. Yes, you want me to goofy walk for her. Oh, she doesn't have a walk. That's really sad. How I'll be when this be my sleepy walk. I'll be like, I'm halfway sleepy. Tough walk. Yeah, I'm tough. Yo, wait, is this tough walk? Yeah, I'm all tough. You know that. Ooh, swagger? What's swagger? What's this swagger? Female walk? How walk? Kitty. Bouncy walk, sleepy walk. I'm gonna do the swagger walk just because it looks better. Okay, so let's. Yeah, we can make that. Your daughter looks really funny. Okay, gamers. This has went on for a very, very long time. I'm going to stop it here. I'm not going to go anywhere else. See, I'm not going to go anywhere else yet. And I'll upload and continue from there. Wait. No, let me choose house first. Your son needs a place to live in the world. We'll show you several perfect homes in Willow Creek and Oasis. The home you choose offers you unique neighbors and activities, but don't worry, you can always visit or move to any of the worlds in Sims 4. Would you like to learn more about moving? No, I would not. There's all our money. There's some people who's here. The new crest. It's not new though. I think. There's some no, I don't want to live here. There's no one even here. I'm not even supposed to live here. Listen to Willow Creek. But there's people that can eat. We can't afford this lot. So these are the only lots I can afford. Okay, makes sense. Alright, let's see. There's move here. Wait, I thought you get to furnish your home. The computer is not trash unless you adopt a baby or a child. well, you can't adopt a top, or you can only do that on Sims 3, Sims 3 Pets, Sims 2, Sims 2 Pets, and The Sims. Okay, I'm gonna stop it in a minute. Taking control of everybody scroll the mouse wheel to zoom in and out. I knew that. That's any computer tech game. Hold down the left mouse button with the camera. Okay. If you don't like the default camera control setting, click the camera control button to talk about customer settings. Or check the sensory camera. I actually like this. Really nice. Maybe. No, I don't. I'm gonna have to use this camera control. Boom. What was it? Camera controls. Sensory cameras are way easier. Sensory. I like this. I gotta build. I have to build. What do you do? She's your friend, but she's your sister. She shouldn't be your friend. Stay at home, Mom. Oh my gosh, I like that. You don't have a career. Sure, should be going to school. I did. It's easy to focus on parents and doing some quick touch on different portraits and focus on that. Okay. You can follow some. No, I don't want this. I'll say there's some sort of camera. I'm gonna have to get used to it. You can follow a sim to camera if you right click on the Sim's portrait. Follow that sim. I don't know how to use this camera. I suck. Whee! I want to follow this sim. How in the world can I get over here? I don't know. Oh, I like this better. Is this our house? No. Oh, here we go. Build. I'll build. Oh, join a career. It wasn't going to be that easy. Bro hug someone. You want to bro hug someone? I don't even know how to control this. Brr. Casual discussion. They're both fine. Dang it, I am in the mood right now. Okay. You want to become... They don't... Oh, sorry. Oh, so they don't even got it. Okay, cool. Cool beans. How in the world do you build a house? Okay, I'll be back to you guys. And my house will be finished by the time this is uploaded. So look how far developers go. Some computers, tablets, motion games, fridges, or even on her phone. That's awesome. And I'll be back. See ya.